All right, a student called me and said, what if it is jam question? That the process I apply to solve that question is good, but it's a very long process. You know, in jam, how easy can they solve this particular question within the space of 1 minute or 2 minutes? The question is being solved. So I will take this question as my second method in solving this in jam terms. So I will break it down. I'll break it down where student can easily solve this question in the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes or whereabouts. So what we need to do now is this. Let's start. Since it is jam, what you need to do is just to pick the numbers alongside with the base. Still know you have your exponential up here. So that means you are going to have 16 times 2. This is mainly for the UTME students 2024, as we may have a 2024, 2025 students if something similar of this comes up for their forthcoming exam. So you're going to bring those numbers together, then the variables, which are the bases, and you bring the two bases together. But remember, you still have your exponential as 2 all over 3. So that means 16 times 2 times a raised to the power of 3 times a raised to the power of minus 3 times b raised to the power of 4 times b raised to the power of minus 4, all in bracket of 2 all over 3, which means the exponential the outmost number there is 2 all over 3. So I can still have my 4, which is under my denominator, as a raised to the power minus 1 and b raised to the power minus what? Minus 3. So when we multiply 2 and 16 together, it is going to give us 32. Then we follow the law of indices, as I said, when multiplying the same base of indices. Sorry, this is 6. This side was 6. This side was 6 minus 6. When you are multiplying the same base of indices, you add up the exponential word powers. So in that case, you are going to have common base, which is a. Then we have 3 minus 6. Then we'll go to the next base. We have b, which is the common base. Then we add up the exponential power. But mind you, this is minus. So that means plus times minus will give us minus. So here we have minus 4 minus 4 in bracket of 2 all over 3 in respect of 4 divided by 4 a raised to the power minus 1 and b raised to the power minus what? Minus 3. Okay, for this we can still have this as 32 a raised to the power minus what? Minus 3, and that of b raised to the power of 0 in respect of 2 all over 3 divided by 4a a raised to the power of minus 1, then b raised to the power minus 3. Okay, if you look at this, we still there's no way I can use this my denominator to divide this because of my exponential powers here. Assuming I don't have my exponential power here, 12 over 3, I can decide to divide it all through. But because of this 12 over 3, so I must obey my product law here. My product law have to come in. So that means for me to be on the safer side, I have to break down this to smallest index form. Then let's see how it goes. So at this point here, you agree with me that 2 raised to the power of 5 will give me 32, and I have my a raised to the power minus 3, and that my b raised to the power 0 in respect of 2 all over 3 divided by, let's break down this 4 now, since we are breaking down 32. So that means 2 raised to the power of 2, then a raised to the power minus 1, then b raised to the power minus what? Minus 3. So we will now use this 2 all over 3 to multiply what's inside the bracket, and that is going to give us 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 all over 3. Then we are bringing that to our a minus 3 times 2 all over 3. Then we'll bring down our b, which is 0, b raised to the power of 0 times 2 all over 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2. Then a raised to the power minus 1, then b raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so that means 3 cannot go into 5, so we multiply the numbers there. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 10 all over 3. And here we have 3 can divide this, so 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 2. So that means we are going to have a raised to the power of minus 2, and for this automatically everything here is 0. So b raised to the power of 0 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2, a by 1, then b raised to the power of 3. So in that case, you can discover that the numbers, which especially the same base, we can decide to split it as 2 raised to the power of 10 over 3 and 2 raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of minus 2 divided by a raised to the power of minus 1 times b raised to the power of 0 divided by b raised to the power of minus what? Minus 3. So this is clear. So in that case, this is purely division law. So the division law states that when you are multiplying, when you are dividing the same base of indices, you subtract the exponential power. So we are dividing now. So the common base here is what? 2. So then we have 10 all over 3 minus what? Minus 2. Then we'll come to e raised to the power of minus 2 plus 1, because automatically we said when we are dividing, we subtract the exponential power. So minus times minus will become what? Plus. So in the case of this, we are going to have b raised to the power of 0 plus what? Plus 3. And automatically we are going to have this. So 2 raised to the power of 10 over 3 minus 2. This will lead us to using our LCM here, where we have 10 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 10 over what? 10 minus 6 all over what? 3. And here automatically we have a raised to the power of what? Minus 1. Then we have our b. So 0 plus 3 will still give us what? 3. Okay. So sorry about these things here. So at this point we are 6 away from 10. Automatically it's going to give us 2 raised to the power of what? 4 all over 3. Then we have a minus 1, so we have a by 1, then times b minus what? Minus 3. So in that case, we can multiply all through. So this will give us what? 2 raised to the power of 4 over 3, a raised to the power of minus 1, then b raised to the power of what? 3. So because of this a raised to the power of minus 1, we'll call this negative index law, and this can still be expressed as what? Let's use this place. 2 raised to the power of 4 all over 3. 4 over 3 times 1 over a times b raised to the power of 3. So that means finally we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 4 over 3, then b raised to the power of 3 divided by what? A. So I think this method is similar. We have the same answer at the end of this survey. Please kindly subscribe to my channel